Welcome to our channel. This video will cover the topic of how to become a copy editor in English. Welcome to our video on how to become a copy editor in English. Copy editing is an essential profession that ensures written content is accurate, consistent, and error-free. In this video, we will guide you through everything you need to know to embark on a successful career as a copy editor. Whether you are a language enthusiast or passionate about enhancing the quality of written materials, this video is for you. Join us to learn the necessary skills, tools, and tips to become a proficient copy editor in English. Introduction. Welcome back, language enthusiasts and aspiring copy editors. In today's video, we will take you on a journey to explore the world of professional copy editing in English. Whether you dream of working for publishing companies, media agencies, or even as a freelancer, we have got you covered. By the end of this video, you will have a thorough understanding of what it takes to become a successful copy editor. So, let's dive right in. In any profession, attention to detail is crucial. As a copy editor, your primary responsibility is to ensure the accuracy, clarity, and consistency of written content. From correcting grammatical errors to improving sentence structure, your expertise will enhance the overall quality of various materials, such as articles, books, websites, and more. So, let's go through the necessary steps to become a proficient copy editor in English. Step 1. Develop strong language skills. The foundation of copy editing lies in having a strong command of the English language. To start your journey, focus on developing your grammar, vocabulary, and writing skills. Read extensively, pay attention to different styles of writing, and practice expressing ideas concisely and effectively. Consider enrolling in language courses or workshops to further refine your linguistic abilities. Once you are confident in your language skills, you can move on to acquiring the essential tools of the trade. Step 1.1. Master grammar and style guides. A copy editor must have a comprehensive knowledge of grammar rules and different style guides. Familiarize yourself with reputable grammar books, style guides like the Chicago Manual of Style, and writing resources available online. Learn about sentence structure, punctuation rules, and common grammatical errors. Understanding various writing styles and industry-specific guidelines will significantly enhance your credibility as a copy editor. Step 1.2. Improve proofreading skills. Alongside grammar, proofreading is a crucial aspect of copy editing. Effective proofreading involves carefully checking a written piece for mistakes, including spelling errors, typos, and formatting inconsistencies. Sharpen your proofreading skills by practicing on different types of materials regularly. Consider creating personalized checklists to ensure you do not miss any potential errors. With practice and attention to detail, you will become adept at catching even the smallest errors. Step 2. Gain knowledge of publishing industry standards. As a copy editor, understanding the standards and practices of the publishing industry is vital. Stay updated on the latest trends, guidelines, and technological advancements within the industry. Learn about the different publishing processes, such as manuscript editing, copywriting, and proofreading, to grasp the bigger picture. Familiarize yourself with the common terminology used in the publishing world, which will help you communicate and collaborate effectively with authors, writers, and other industry professionals. Step 3. Acquire copy editing tools and software. To excel in copy editing, you must become proficient in using various tools and software. Invest in a reliable dictionary and thesaurus to aid you in finding appropriate word choices. Additionally, utilize spell-checking software and grammar-checking tools like Grammarly to enhance your efficiency and accuracy. Become familiar with the track changes feature in word processing software, which allows you to efficiently edit, proofread, and provide feedback on documents. These tools will streamline your workflow and help you deliver high-quality editing services. Step 4. Gain practical experience. Practical experience plays a vital role in becoming a successful copy editor. Start by exploring internship opportunities or freelance projects to gain hands-on experience in copy editing. Collaborating with experienced professionals will provide invaluable insights, guidance, and feedback on your work. Building a strong portfolio showcasing a variety of copy-edited materials will further enhance your chances of securing future job opportunities. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep refining your skills on different types of content and diverse subject matters. Conclusion and outro. And there you have it. We hope this video has given you a comprehensive understanding of how to become a copy editor in English. Remember, developing strong language skills, mastering grammar and style guides, improving proofreading techniques, and gaining practical experience are the key steps in becoming a proficient copy editor. So, start your journey today and let your passion for language and attention to detail shine through in your copy editing career. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on language and professional development. See you next time.